Let's see Leetcode problem 25, reverse nodes in K group. First we will understand the problem statement and then we will understand the approaches. Okay, so we will dry run the code also. Okay, by dry running the code you will better understand this problem. So let's get started. Let's understand the Leetcode problem 25, reverse nodes in key groups. Okay, this is a hard level problem of linked list. Here description is given that given the head of a linked list, we have to reverse the nodes in the list k at a time. Okay, so directly we will see an example. Example is given that head is an 1 2 3 4 5 and k is given 2. So we have to reverse the nodes in pair, means here k is 2, so we will reverse it in 2 nodes. Okay, so 2 1 and 4 3 and 5 is output. Okay, so let's understand the problem statement on paper pen and let's understand the approach, and also we will dry run the code and we will understand the problem properly by dry running the code. So let's go on paper pen. Let's understand the problem statement. The problem statement says that we have to reverse the nodes in k groups. Okay, so here k is given and one variable, means one attribute, and here is an one linked list 1 2 3 4 5 and k is 2. Okay, so we have to reverse the nodes in k group. Okay, so k is 2, so we have to reverse these elements in k group. Okay, here 2, so here 1 and 2 is reversed, 3 and 4 is reversed. Okay, here is an visual representation of problem. 1 2 3 4 5 is an linked list. We have reversed the nodes in k groups. K is 2, so 2 and 1 and 4 and 3 and 5 is written. Okay, so let's understand the approach. We will also dry run the code. Okay, so first understand the approach. The approach is an of recursion. Okay, we have to perform the recursion on the linked list. Okay, so here is an k given 2. Okay, so what we have to do, we have to take the two nodes, means k nodes. K, if you are 3, then nodes will be 3. Okay, so we have to reverse them in order. Okay, so what we will do, we will do point this cancel out this link, and we will link 1 to the third node. Okay, and we will cancel out this link and we will link this 2 to the first one. Okay, so it will look like 2 and 1. Okay, now our window will move forward. Window will come here. Okay, so what we will do, we will move, we will break this link and we will connect 3 to the 5. Okay, and we will connect 4 to the 3. Okay, and we will break this link. Okay, so how it will look, and we will also connect the 4 previous of 4 to the 2. Okay, so it will look somewhat like this, 4 and 3. Okay, and last, this is an less than k, so it will remain same. And this is our final output, 2 1 4 3 5. Okay, this is a very simple approach. What we will do, we will use the recursion. Okay, here is an 1 2 node, we will reverse them in order. Okay, and then we will perform the recursion on the rest of the linked list. Okay, you will better understand by dry running the code. So let's dry run the code. Here is an code. Okay, so let's understand the first part. Okay, this is an public Leetcode list node reverse k group. Okay, this is an given by Leetcode. Okay, so we have to take the count. Okay, we have to count the size of the list. Okay, to determine if it is smaller than k or bigger. Okay, so first at the starting count will be 0. Okay, and temp will be 1 because temp is head. Okay, and here you will see head is this. Okay, so head is an 1. Okay, so here the temp is 1. Okay, so if temp is not equal to null and then count is equal to less than small, then we have to increment temp will become 2, means 2 means here temp will go here. Okay, so count will also increment, count will become 1. Again it will check if temp is not equal to null and count is less than k is 2. Okay, so temp will be 3 and count will be 2. Now count is equal to k, not less than k, so it will be not executed now. Okay, so this portion will not execute now. Now what happens, here count is 2 and temp is also 3 and k is 2. Okay, so if count is less than k, means 2 is less than, if 2 is count is less than k, means 2 is less than k, less than 2, no, then we have to not return the head. Okay, so we have to go forward. Okay, here is a list new head, we have to call the reverse function. Okay, we have created here one new reverse function, you can find here. Okay, here is a reverse function. Okay, we will pass into that head and temp. Okay, so here head is 1, no, so at start it will be 1, and at the end it will be 3. Okay, so leaving this 3 means here 1 2 3, leaving this 3 we will reverse these 2. Okay, this is a very simple while loop, applying while loop and reversing the nodes of linked list. Okay, I have teach this reversing the linked list in another problem. You can refer that video to understand this much part of the code. Okay, so this is a very simple approach. Okay, so let's understand on the Leetcode code editor. Let's understand the code. We have to create one reverse new function. Okay, so here I will use public, sorry, I will use public list node, sorry, here is a spelling mistake, reverse list node start comma list node end. Okay, so here we have created one new function to reverse the linked list in k groups. Okay, it will recursively perform. Okay, so here we will create one node previous as null and current at start. Okay, so list node previous equal to null and current equal to, we will label it as current. Okay, start, and then we will implement while loop to reverse the nodes. Okay, so current should be not equal to null, sorry, current should be not equal to end. Okay, now what we have to do, we have to simply reverse them. Okay, so list node next equal to current dot next and current dot next equal to previous, and previous equal to current, and current equal to next. Okay, so we have reversed the nodes. Okay, so we will return the previous, return previous. Now in the main function what we have to do, simply we have to count the size of an linked list, and we have to send the linked list to the upper function. Okay, so here we will use int count equal to 0 and list node temp equal to head. Okay, now we will implement here while loop, while temp is not equal to null and count is less than key, then we have to move forward temp pointer. Okay, so next, and we will increment the count. We are in this section, we are counting the size of linked list. Okay, if count is less than k, then we have to simply return the head, means original linked list. Okay, head, and we will call that function, above function, reverse. Okay, list node new head equal to reverse. In that reverse we will send the head and the temp. Okay, head temp, and we will recursively perform, so we will use here head dot next equal to reverse k groups. We will call the itself, call the function itself. Okay, given. Okay, group reverse k group, in that we will put the temp comma k. Okay, and simply we will return the, at final we will return the new head. Okay, so new head. So let's compile the code. Temp should be not equal to null and count should, here is a spelling mistake of count. Okay, so here should be O. Let's once again compile the code. Okay, here head dot next reverse k group. Okay, temp comma k. K is an capital, I have written it in small. Okay, so let's once again compile the code. You will find the Java code and C++ code both on my GitHub account, and that link is given in the description. You can refer this code from my GitHub account. Okay, so you can see here our code is successfully compiled and all test cases are run successfully. Let's submit the code. This was our day 23 of 100 days of code DSA challenge. Okay, so if you liked my approach and you liked my approach and teaching way, so you can subscribe my channel. So you can see here our code is successfully submitted and there is a 100% bits. Okay, so you can find this code on my GitHub account, and that GitHub account link is given in the description. So thank you guys for watching my video. If you liked my video, then share, subscribe and like.